to be recording for you Improvers Solo Jive Routine number 1. This was actually taught a few months ago, but it was a video I found had been corrupted when I tried to upload it into the playlist. So I'm just going back through some of the gaps that we had in our routine playlist, and that's why you see me in this studio. This was actually taught when I was teaching at home in the other living room. So just a little catch up here. I'm going to turn around, make a start. So this is Improvers Solo Routine number 1. We started with an 8 count basic, back, step, chassis, back, step, chassis. 2 tap steps, tap, step, tap, step. 2 chassis, 1 right, 1 left, chassis, chassis. Corner flick twice, flick, flick, back ball change, flick, flick, back ball change. Now we did the little boogie woogie walks, the little twisting step, pushing the ankles forwards, right, left, 2 back sailors, right, left, double corner flick ball change, flick, flick, back ball change, flick, flick, back ball change. Toe heel twists with a little swivel. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. We're then going to do the back step into the American spin. Back, rock, triple step, triple step. And then we're going to do a spot turn. So I'm going to basically take back, step, right, left, triple step to the back, left, right, triple step to the front. Apologies, I believe I had a back step just before the toe heel twist, making it into an 8 count. So let me do this now with the counting. So 8 count basic. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Tap step in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Corner flick twice. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The boogie woogie walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back sailor. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Double corner flip ball change. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then the toe heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the back step. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And then the preparation for that spot turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, sorry about that little noise there. My other half was just closing the door. Had it slightly ajar. So that was Improvers Solo Routine number 1. And like I say, that was a video that I couldn't get to upload properly. So just going back ages since we taught that. So I'm standing here with a piece of paper. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see you in the next video. Hope you are well.